Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create logos for your business or your YouTube channel in Midjourney. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So on your Discord homepage, select a server that has a Midjourney bot on it. And here, before we start, I should warn you that if you want to create a typeface logo, which consists only letters or initials of your company or your YouTube channel, probably Midjourney is not the best tool to use, but if you want to create little images, I think Midjourney works in wonders. So you need some keywords to generate logos. I'm going to type some of them here, but you need to use the word logo every single time if you want to create a logo. So let's start with typing slash and then imagine and let's hit enter. So let's say I'm going to use the word logo here. Let's hit enter to generate. So here's our logos. As you can see, some of them can be used as it is, or with a little professional retouching, you can use them. So let's generate one more, but this time it's going to be colored one. So let's write down our prompt, but this time I'm going to add the phrase colored at the end. And here's our second image. Again, those can be used as it is, but the key point is that you need to make experiments playing with those keywords to get a better look. And that's how to create logos in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.